This is my time. I'm on the rise, can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time, ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights. Cause when it's game time.
And palabas natin si Kabuilder Jojo. Kung kamusta naman yung kanyang journey towards the constructing business at bilang taga-subaybay ng Mr. Contractor page, kung paano rin nakatulong sa kanyang startup business yung mga na-share natin, no, sa ating social media platforms. So, pakinggan natin si Jojo.
Junray Abrigana. I came all the way from Butuan City, Mindanao. Then I've been doing construction business for more than 3 years na. Personally, bakit ako talaga nag-pursue na magkaroon ng pickup license? Kasi nga, first and foremost, hindi po ako engineer. Hindi po ako architect. So, IT po yung natapos ko. Life is a challenge for me ever since I was young. Siguro kung ngayon na nakikita ko na yung standard ng construction industry, I belong pala on child labor dati. Kasi actually nagko-construction ako, I'm doing labor works for as helper, nagmamasa ako ng 14, 15, 16 ako, high school ako. Mga second year high school ako, nagtatrabaho ako after ng class at saka bago pumasok ng class, sometimes absent kasi nag-helper ako sa construction. So I know how it feels to be a part of the construction industry, pero ikaw yung underdog. Ikaw yung nasa pinaka, kung sa hierarchy ng construction, kami yung nasa pinakamababa. 2 years ago, I saw your page, Mr. Contractor. As far as I remember, I think mga 6,000 plus pa yung followers mo nun. So pinalo ko lang, and then as the days goes by, nagla-like ako sa mga post mo hanggang nung nakita ko na yung advocacy pala ni Mr. Contractor is meron pala siyang passion na hilain pataas yung mga nagsisimula pa lang, katulad ko. So I really can relate onto your advocacy. So that's why nandito ako, na even though I came from Mindanao, pumunta talaga ako, malayo, yes, malayo, pero seryoso ako sa dream ko na mapa-expand, mapalago yung business ko. Hindi lang para sa sarili ko, kundi damay na pati yung mga workers ko. Kasi I really believe that I must fight for this. Even though may mga challenges, pero kailangan ko itong ilaban, kasi ilaban hindi ko lang sa sarili ito. Every worker that is under my payroll represents a family. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-stagnant o hindi ako pwedeng hindi lumago, hindi umunlad. Kasi laban namin to. Kung meron mang tulad ko dati na 3 years ago starting a construction business, so without even having a single permit, even DTI, wala. Really owe it first to God for the wisdom na makonect ako kay Mr. Contractor. I'm giving him the credits. Kasi if without the advocacy, walang information drive regarding sa pickup na batas, wala yung firm ko ngayon, at saka wala akong patutunguhan din. Bali, parang isa din ako sa mga fly-by-night. Siguro ngayon, kung ano yung mga upcoming events, I'm telling you, it's really worth it. Though gagastos ka ng pera, gagastos ka ng resources, especially yung pinakamahal natin na resources, which is time. Pero it's really worth it because I believe kasi the more you learn, the more we will earn. And this is construction business. Yung barya-barya dito na project, yung maliitan dito na project, malaking tulong na din sa atin.
This is my time.